Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful motherboards from Asus's ROG Strix series, the B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the B650-A Gaming Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you decide which motherboard is the best fit for your gaming needs. We'll compare them in three key areas: price and value, memory support, and connectivity options. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is priced at $189, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers looking to build a powerful system without breaking the bank. In contrast, the B650-A Gaming Wi-Fi comes in at $249, reflecting its advanced features and support for the latest technology. While the B550-F offers great value, the B650-A justifies its higher price with enhanced capabilities and future-proofing for upcoming builds. In terms of memory support, the B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 utilizes DDR4 RAM, which is widely available and cost-effective. However, the B650-A Gaming Wi-Fi takes a step forward by supporting the latest DDR5 memory, offering higher speeds and improved performance for demanding applications and gaming. This makes the B650-A a better choice for those looking to build a future-proof system that can handle the latest advancements in technology. Both motherboards offer excellent connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits LAN for fast internet speeds. The B550-F features USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, while the B650-A enhances this with additional ports and a PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot for faster storage solutions. This makes the B650-A a more versatile choice for gamers and content creators who require extensive connectivity for their peripherals and storage devices. In conclusion, both the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the B650-A Gaming Wi-Fi offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The B550-F is a fantastic budget option, while the B650-A provides cutting-edge features for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.